everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this super simple eyeshadow look. I've been wearing it for the past couple days and I've been loving it. Yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So I'm starting off by using the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. I love this. Has great colors in here. I'm going to be using the color Hive, if you can see right here. And I'm using the Sigma Blending E25 brush. And this color is going to go right in my crease. Gonna do like one more over top of that, and I'm gonna take just a little bit more and I'm gonna bring it underneath. Just gonna make sure I have this all blended out up here too, because sometimes my eyelids don't like me when I try to blend stuff, so I gotta do it that way. The next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is take this color, and it's called Flyby. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right under my brow bone. I'm going to go ahead back in with the same brush I used earlier, and I'm going to use the shade Sweet. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that right over top of that other color. I'm going to like blend it in pretty good. You don't want any harsh lines really when you're putting on eyeshadow, because then it looks bad. Just blend. Blend until your eyelids start to hurt. Just kidding. Don't do that because it'll hurt. But blend so it looks nice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Crayon. You guys see me use this in like almost all of my videos. This is so much better than an eyelid primer. I'm just going to say it right now because this makes the stuff stick to your eyes and it's going to stay there all day. So, I'm not going to actually be using this on my eyelid though. I'm going to use it in my inner corners. I'm going to draw it like right there. This is really going to brighten up the look and give it a pop. I really love doing this look. So kind of like that. You can already see that it really brightened up my look. Next, I'm going to go in with my finger. I'm going to try to anyway because I did my nails and they're super long and I haven't had them this long before because we're all stuck at home, and I did my own nails. And I actually have a video of that. I don't know if that video is going to be posted first or this one, so I guess I can't really tell you if it's going to be already on my channel or whatnot. But either way, there's going to be a video up on how to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this in a little bit. Try to just kind of blend it in a little bit. Get it all up in there. Like that. Then that same white color I used to put under the brow bone, I'm going to go ahead and put that right over top of where I just put this white because it's going to make your whole look pop. So we're going to do that. Your eyes will be popping. Okay, the next thing I have here is the Lancôme Cils Booster Xl. This is a primer, and let me tell you, once you use this, it will change your life. It makes you look like you have fake lashes on, honestly. It works so well. Like, buy this, and then you're going to keep buying it and buying it again like I did because it works so well. I used to not use lash primers until a friend recommended me this, and I have been using this ever since. It's been like 2 or 3 years now I've been using this, and I believe in it, and love it. So you're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna do one eyelash at a time just because if you put this on both of your lashes now and then go over it with mascara, I don't feel like it looks that great. I like to do the primer and do the mascara like right after you let a couple seconds of letting this primer sit on there. But that's just me. You can do it any way you want, but this is how I do it to get this makeup look. I'm running out of breath because I'm talking so much today. Okay, this is the, oh, I gotta tell you what this is. This is the YSL Mascara Volume. I think I said it right. We're gonna go with that. I'm gonna do 2 coats of mascara because I gotta make them look thick and full. Yeah, these 2 products together literally make it look like you have false lashes, or that your lashes are super long, that they're almost false. It's amazing. Kind of do a little zoom up. So here's kind of what that's looking like. Then I'm gonna let it dry and curl them just to get the most out of this look as you can get. Like, you can see the difference right here with no mascara and then mascara right here, or the primer and the mascara. Like, look at this. I love this look. It looks so good with my spray tan. I'm sorry, it does. It looks good. So here's what it looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and let it dry, the mascara anyway, and then I'm gonna curl my lashes and show you guys the finished look. And here's the completed look. It's super simple and easy to do. Like, you could do this as your everyday look. I've been loving this. So